Dustbin removed.
YouTube.
Please insert dustbin and filter.
Stand by.
Please insert dustbin and filter.
Stand by.
Is it not clean?
Yeah, I'm just making sure it's got to get all the crud off of it. Look at that.
You replace it. Replace the filter, please.
I got a new one right here. I should go knock this off in the garbage can. Let me do that. Just want to get all the crud out of there. Okay. The brush looks fine. Maybe we should replace it anyway?
Replace it anyway.
I mean, that filter was definitely done. It was all caked up. Here's the new one.
Do you have all your tools, Daddy?
I think I just need the screwdriver.
YouTube, we're gonna flip it over when we put the dustbin back in place.
Dustbin inserted.
Thank you, Yuffie.
The roller brush works pretty good. So YouTube, the outside brush.
Doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't work too bad.
Got some goobers in there. And here's the new one. Here's the new one next to the old one. Probably doesn't need to be replaced, but I'm gonna do it.
Daddy, you should believe the Yuffie, Daddy.
Trust in the Yuffie. Alright, let's take a look at the roller brush and make sure it's in good shape. Ooh. Some crud caught in here too. Just want to make sure that there's no hair getting wrapped around the roof like that.
Is it self-cleaning itself good enough?
Yeah, it looks really good actually, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's just right around the axle it had some stuff. That's okay. Kind of expected that.
should we spot clean with the Bissell?
I don't know. Do we need to spot clean with the Bissell?
Spot moth.
I have to clean up that little mess, but I think this looks good. Okay. Just gonna clean out the little sensors on the bottom.
Daddy,
Yeah.
what sensors are those? Said Daddy.
These are little light sensors. They're probably so it doesn't fall down the steps, but we don't have any steps to worry about. But I'm gonna clean them anyway because they're getting caked up with goo.
Daddy,
Yeah.
does the Bissell have step scissors in the Ford? Daddy,
It should. Remember.
it's supposed to blow itself down the stairs.
All right. I think it's as clean as it's gonna get.
Charging.
Boy, you cute.
Bye, YouTube.